are learning counting with fruits. So, let's get started. First number is 1, so now I will draw 1. After the number 1, I will draw 1 apple. After 1 comes number 2, so now I will draw number 2. After number 2, I will draw 2 bunches of grapes. 1 bunch. 2 bunch. After 2 comes number 3. Now I will draw number 3. After number 3, I will draw 3 oranges. 1 orange. 2 oranges. And at last, 3 orange. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. Now, I will color the number 1 blue like a sky. Next, I will make apple red. After number 1, I will color the number 2 pretty pink. Now, I will color the grapes green. After number 2, I will color the number 3 red like rose. At last, I will color all the oranges with orange color. done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.